Hello， 朋友们，大家好 ！Welcome to Mayonnaise Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow.
Today, let's make sushi bake. This recipe is easy to make and is also delicious. Now I show you how to make it. Let's get started.
Here, all the ingredients. The exact amount and the brand I use are in the description box. Here are optional ingredients you can add on the side.
Make sure you use Kewpie Mayonnaise and not regular mayonnaise for this recipe. Let's start by cleaning the rice. Wash it 3 times. We are using 2 cups of rice. Now add 2 cups of water and put it in the rice cooker, let it cook. Now cut the green onions thinly. Make sure to separate white part and green part. Let's roughly cut the crab meat. Now the rice is ready. Let's take it out. Let's fluff up the rice and add 4 tablespoons sushi rice vinegar. Make sure the vinegar is mixed evenly. Let's season the crab meat. Add 1 teaspoon chili oil, 2 teaspoons Sriracha, 200 gram Kewpie Mayonnaise, 90 gram cream cheese, and white part of green onions. And mix everything together. The next step is to add the rice in the baking tray. Make sure to spread evenly. Now put some sesame seed on top of the rice. And add the crab meat on the top. Spread evenly and add sesame seed on the top. Put the sushi bake in the oven at 355 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. While we wait, let's cut our cucumber and avocado into strips. After 15 minutes, take it out. And let me tell you, it smells so good. Finish it off by adding the green onion and Masago. And the sushi bake is done.
Wow, looks good. Time for taste test.
Add some sushi bake on the seaweed. Add avocado, cucumber, and fold. Look at that!
So good. Cucumber crunchy, Masago pops in your mouth. It's very creamy, very rich flavors. So good. Lemon sour from the vinegar. It's very, very delicious. There's a lot of textures. It's had a good mouthfeel. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, everybody. 再见。